Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create multiple orders and make up to $1,000 while trading. Okay, a number of times I've been getting, I always get messages from my subscribers asking about multiple order creation. Okay, probably they were asking those questions because they usually say that I love creating multiple orders whenever I am trading, whenever I'm doing my live trading. So I have decided to create a video on it to let you know my reasons for creating multiple orders and why you should also create it or why you shouldn't create it, and also how you should go about it even if you must create a multiple order. So these are some of the things we will be looking at in today's video, so stay tuned and stay glued to the system while we continue with the video. But before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how to make some money online, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my custom made indicators, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, quickly, before going into that, let me quickly take us down to Jamboard so that we will know what we should look for whenever we are trading. Okay, before you can create multiple orders, there are some things you need to put in place before you should create multiple orders. The first thing is you need to consider your capital. Okay, your capital is very important. Your capital will determine the amount of order you can create per day. If I always advise that if you don't have strong trading capital, then you shouldn't try this out. Okay, I always advise that. But if you have strong trading capital, there are some other things you also need to take note of. Okay, your technical know-how, your knowledge about the market. So I'm going to put knowledge. Okay, before inputting knowledge, let me put lot size. Your lot size must be something that your capital can handle. Okay, your lot size will determine how much order that you can create. For instance, if you are having a trading capital of about, let's say you are having a trading capital of $1,000. You have $1,000 as your trading capital, which is a lot of money. Okay, you can decide, let's say you are trading boom, and you decide to use 0.5. okay, you decide to use 0.5 or 0.3 lot size. You can easily create, because with that for boom 1000 you can still use a lot size of 20.0. okay, so if you are using a 0.3 lot size to trade, you can still create like 3 to 4 orders. You can create like 3 to 4 orders. You can create more, but in order not to choke up your trading capital, you can reduce it to 3 to 4 so that you can easily trade successfully with it. So all these are very important. Your lot size and your trading capital will determine the total number of orders that you can create whenever you are trading. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to look out for. You don't just create multiple orders. If you create multiple orders, for instance, if you are using $100, if you are using $100, if you are using $100, the maximum lot size you can use, if you are trading with $100 and you are trading boom and crash 500 or 1000, the maximum lot size you can use is 3.0. Okay, 3.0. So in a situation whereby even 3.0 will choke up this $100 trading capital, but it will still go through. In a situation whereby you are now using 0.5 lot size, 0.5 lot size to trade $100 account. Okay, and it's not possible for you to open 7 orders, because 0.5 times 7 will give you 3.5, which is even above the maximum that $100 can trade. So all these are very, very important, and I won't even advise you to use the all of the opportunity for which you can use to trade $100 account. So that is very, very important. Make sure you always give gap in case the market goes against you. Okay, so that you can have enough opportunity for the market to reverse, for your profits, for your order to reverse back into profits. Okay, so these are very, very important. So the next thing we should also take note of is we've spoken about lot size. Then you should also know the trend of the market. You should also know the trend of the market. Then the fourth thing is know your entry point and your exit point, which also has to do with the support and resistance level. So let me go first of all put support and resistance level. Then I'm going to add the entry point. Okay, let me make that 5. The entry point and your exit point, that is the E and E. Okay, so all these are very, very vital and important. So once you are able to put this 5 into order, then you can easily create multiple orders. So let's go straight into the platform to explain, so as to explain to you how to go about this. So let's go straight to the platform. So right here I'm going to show you how you can place multiple orders. Okay, so let's see a very good chart that can give us the opportunity to create multiple orders. You can do that with boom, you can do that right here. Okay, now let me use this first, then I will use the other one. So this is it. Right here we've considered our trend. This is our trend, and our trend says that the market is going on downtrend right here, and we've gotten a sell signal here, so we can come up with our first order right here. Like I always tell you, it is always difficult for the market to break out successfully when it is coming from a very strong uptrend. Okay, from a very strong trend, so it is very difficult for it to reverse back totally. So it will take some time before it will achieve this. This is 5-minute time frame. You might not really get what I'm trying to explain, but if you should check out here, it was consolidating around this period before it finally broke out. Even on these 4MA candles, it still had to spike up multiple times before eventually breaking out from there successfully. So like I used to explain to you, at every pullback you can always, if you, let's say you are trading this full trend to this very end, okay, at every pullback is an opportunity for you to come into the system again. Okay, there are other ways of doing it. Sometimes when I'm trading and I'm sure of the trend, I place my first order. If there is a spike, I place the second order, and I pause a bit. After going down a bit and there is a spike again, I can come in again and I pause a bit till, and on and on and on, like that. Okay, but this is another strategy that will help you to milk the market successfully without risking so much of your capital into the market, okay, while trading. Okay, so these are some of the things I will be explaining to you right away. Okay, so this is it. You are placing your first order here and the market is going down. It has gotten to this level. There is a pullback right here. Then you can place another order here. You will still leave this open, and while this is still going, and the reason for this is the trend is still telling us that the market is going down. Okay, so you are good to go. So right here it came down to this level and came back up, so you can place another order right here, and came down again, went up above this. Okay, this will now be in negative. Okay, but you are still short of the trend, but you can still place another order right here. So that way, once it goes below this, then everything will be in positive back. Okay, so you can see at every pullback you can always create a new order till you are able to trade the trend to the very last. But that is if you are using a very good lot size and a good trading capital. If you have a good trading capital, but if your trading capital will only allow you to open 2 orders at a go, after opening for this, then you only have 1 opportunity to open another one. I hope you got that right. That is why I showed you all the analysis on the Jamboard before coming down to the chart. Okay, so you can always do your calculation once you are having enough trading capital. Let's say you are having $500 trading capital, and the lot size you are using will only allow you to open 2 orders, then and also still give you more opportunity, give your trading capital more opportunity to manage your lot size in total. Then definitely that is the total amount of lot size you are using. Then definitely you are good to go. Then do not open more than 2 orders if it will only allow you to open just 2 orders. If it will allow you to open 3 orders, do not open more than 3. So at every pullback you open a new order, but once you have gotten it to 3, then you wait till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is the first method. So the first method is, once you get a sell signal that is supporting the trend, you place your first order. After going down and you got a buy signal, came up a bit, and once it has shown you another sell signal, you open another order and let it leave that level again. So that way you can have multiple orders and still be in control of your capital. Okay, so that is one method. The second method, let me use another chart for that. Let me see this. Okay, let me see this. Okay, I think this. Okay, this is cool. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for a buy order. Okay, this is one. Okay, I can also use a sell order. Okay, let's say you decided to place an order right here on this sell order. Okay, I'm using jump 75 this time around just for you to know that it works with every one of them. Okay, this is sell trend. The first thing you all should always consider is to know the trend. This is sell trend, and we got a sell signal right here. You place your first order there. Okay, then it got to this level, pull back a bit, got another sell signal right here. You can place another order right here. It went down again, you got another sell signal here. Okay, instead of you creating another sell signal right away on this, what you should do is you should delete the first one. You can delete this. Okay, not that you delete it, you can close that order because it must have been in profit already. That is the first order. From there to this level, you can close, most especially if you are trading boom and crash, okay, because you don't know when the market will reverse, okay. So that at that stage you are good to go. You can close that and keep that profit in your balance, okay, and keep that profit in your balance, and that will give you more, I mean it's going to give room for more opportunity for you to create more order while trading, okay. Right here we've created another order on this sell arrow, so it came down to this level, went back up to this level, and we got another sell order here. And since the trend is still down, so all you just need to do is just to create another sell order here, right here, okay. And you can close this, or you leave it open since it is still 3, and let it come down again. Once it has come down and come down to this level, at this stage, as we can see, the trend is coming to an end right here. So you should be closing all orders that are open, okay. I hope you got that right. Let me look for another chart to explain that properly, okay. This time around I will be using it to explain a buy trend, okay. This is an uptrend right here. This is an uptrend. It is the beginning of the trend. Let's say this is the beginning of the trend right here. So you are creating your first order on this candle, okay. You've created your first order. The market went up and came down again, okay. Now this is still within the same region, but it came down to this. Let's say it eventually got to this level and came down to this level. So you can create, this is an opportunity for you to create another order. So you can create another one here. Then it went up again and came down again. You can create another one here. So instead of you leaving all the 3 orders open, you can close this particular one. You can close it, okay. You can close it in profit because that is the first order. It will have taken you to profit. From there to this level is a lot of profit for you guys, so you can close your order at that point. So once you close your order at that point, it will remain 2, okay. So this one has gone up again, and right here it came down again, so you can place another order right here since you have closed this. So you have another 3 order on ground. It went up again, so you keep on closing the previous one, more especially if it's in a lot of profit. Right, this right now, once the market gets to this level, whereby you are creating the third one, you can always close this. So you close this, so that will make you to have 2 order in the market, okay. So once it goes into profit above all these, and you are getting another buy order, probably it has gone to resell and you are getting another buy order, then definitely you are about to create another order there. You can close the last one right here, and that will make you still have to remember you are closing your profits gradually. You are closing your profits gradually. So that is the way to go about it. That is the way to go about it. This is another opportunity. Let me explain with this, okay. Let me explain with this also. So this is a sell trend starting from here. You can create your sell order right here. This time around you will focus on the sell arrow, okay. So after coming down to this level, it's pull back a bit to this level, so you can create another order on this arrow, okay. You can create another order on this arrow. For the second order, it came down again to this level, went back up to this. So all you just need to do is to create the third order right here. While creating the third order right here, remember you don't have enough trading capital and you want to manage the capital you are having, so that the lot size you are using will be cool enough for all the multiple orders you are closing. And at the same time, you want to close your trading profit. All you just need to do is just to close the first order right here and close it, okay. Once you close it, that means the profit between here and here has been closed already. So wait for an opportunity. You should, that way you will be maintaining a certain number of order at the same time, okay. If it is just 2, once you are trying to create the third order, you close the first one and have this new one open to make it 2. So right here we've opened another order. It has come down to this level and came up again. Okay, at this sell point again, you should be creating another order which will give you an opportunity to close this. Okay, it will give you an opportunity to close that. And right now we are still having 2. It came down here again, came up to this level. You can create another order there, or you leave it open, because that is where we have the entry point for this order. So we can leave it open. You don't need to create a new order there. You already have one order right there that is in negative, which is trying to go back into profit. Okay, so right here you can see it was trying to go back, to pull back and going into a downtrend again, but eventually broke off from there and came down to this level. So right there it came down to this level and came up here. So you can create another order on this, so that will help you to close this particular order that you have created before. So you still have 2 orders in the market, still going on in the market. This one is in profit, this is yet to go into profit, but right here it started going down and going down to this level, and at this level the trend is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. So at that stage, all you just need to do is just to close all your order at that particular point and keep all your profit at that particular point. This is an amazing strategy, guys. If you put this strategy into practice, it will help you to manage the multiple orders that you are creating and help you to keep so much profit to yourself, because all the orders that you are creating and closing, those ones that you are closing them in profit, guys. You are closing them in profit, and that is you're also creating more opportunities for you to to open more orders while you are trading. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.